Warning, the video you're about to see is extremely fucking funny and will have a lot of strong language. Viewer discretion is advised. This is a super funny niggas production.
Wood shot right now, and Kyle doesn't know, but we're gonna fucking hit him with fucking spaghetti in the fucking face. Here we go. The guy you just saw is Kyle.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Shut up.
So he wraps it around. Put the hot glue on yet. Next. This is called a hot glue.
Now I'm gonna hit fucking Nick. It's gonna be hilarious.
It is high. When it is big clap when you go.
Thank you for watching our funny video. But remember, please subscribe and follow us on Twitter at capital S U P A H capital F U N N I capital N E G G A. Thank you. This has been a super funny nigga production.